Hi, I'm Samuel Leary, and I'm one of the Healthy Texas Beef Ambassadors. Today I'll be showing y'all how to use a potato masher while making a zesty guacamole dip. What is a potato masher? A potato masher is a tool used to crush usually already cooked food into a soft, smooth mass. Today for the demonstration, I will be making a zesty guacamole dip and using the potato masher to crush the avocados. Here we go. When using the potato masher on the avocados, I recommend pushing down on it first to get everything crushed to a good smooth texture, and then coming back in and targeting the areas that aren't so smooth. Our guacamole is now done. Now on food safety. When using a potato masher, there are a couple things you want to make sure you do. First off, you want to make sure that your utensil is clean. I recommend washing it before and after use. The other thing is when mashing food, you want to make sure that your hands are out of the way so your fingers don't get crushed. A fun fact about the potato masher is that it was actually invented almost 150 years ago. Thank you for watching this video, and if you would like the recipe for my zesty guacamole dip, you can find it on dinnertonight.tamu.edu. Thank you.